you're watching this video and you need a UK visa sponsorship job, I want you to listen very carefully. Most of the advice you've heard so far, they are either outdated, unrealistic, copied from someone that has never needed sponsorship in their entire life, or they're just incomplete. People will tell you, apply more, just get certified, network, but nobody really explains to you how sponsorship actually works or how employers really think when they see your CV. Today, I'll teach you step by step how to position yourself for a UK visa sponsorship role as a project manager, as a business analyst in 2026. Even if you're not any of these roles, it is still very relevant. If you stay to the end, you'll walk away with a clear strategy. Even if you need a sponsorship and it feels impossible right now, I promise you a clear strategy. So get a pen, get a paper, and let's go on this journey together. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ibiyemi. Hit the subscribe button so that you motivate me to drop my next content every week. I work closely with immigrants, career changers, professionals, people navigating the UK job market. I've seen this over and over and over again. People need to work in complex environments. People need to present themselves as being the solution to a business problem. So I'm not speaking from theory, I'm speaking from the lens of a career coach and a senior business analyst within the public sector. Now, what would you learn today? I would explain to you what sponsorship really means, which project management and business analysis roles will get you sponsored, how employers decide what mistakes you're making and what you need to stop, and the exact system that I teach people that care to listen. The biggest misunderstanding is you need to understand visa sponsorship is not kindness. It is not charity. It is not about, oh, they're doing you a favor. Visa sponsorship is, in fact, a business decision. Employers will sponsor you when you can tell them and you can prove to them that this particular skill that they need, they can't find it in their local country. You're showing them you can solve a business problem, you can reduce risk. That is it. So the first mindset you need to know is stop thinking like a job seeker and start thinking like a business solution. If you don't understand this, everything else will feel frustrating because you think they're doing you a favor and you are at their feet of mercy. Sponsorship shows up in a lot of places. Now let's talk about project management and business analysis specifically. Project management and business analysis roles do get sponsored. Data analysis roles as well do get sponsored, but not at entry level, not at vague levels, and not at theoretical levels. They get sponsored when they can work on complex change, operate in regulated or technical environments, bridge the gap between business, delivery, reduce costs and delays and risk. This is why the NHS, universities, fintech, consultancies, large enterprises are most likely to sponsor you. Small companies, maybe not quite. Sponsorship follows complexities, so your CV should not scream junior or generic. They should scream strategy. Now let's talk about the 5 mistakes immigrants make. The 5 mistakes you're making, and just check this, and you can let me know in the comments if you're making any of these mistakes, and then we can fix it. Mistake 1, you are applying like a local candidate. Most people apply the same way locals do, like British people do. You're not a local. You have extra friction. Be honest with yourself. You need a stronger positioning. You need to show clearer value and better storytelling. Number 2, you're collecting certificates. You are underloading skills. Certificates don't mean you're going to get a sponsorship. Trust me. Mistake 3, you are hiding the visa conversation. You're trying to surprise them. Employers need to know now that you need a sponsor. Apply strategically to the companies that are likely to sponsor you. Mistake 4, you have no UK context. UK employers want to know, can you work in UK systems? Do you understand UK stakeholders? Can you operate in UK delivery environments? This is where many people fall down. Mistake 5, you have no experience on your CV. You can't explain what you've delivered, how you work with stakeholders, what changed because of you. You are losing because you are not strategically positioning yourself. If you want to properly structure your visa sponsorship strategy journey, then I want you to get my UK visa sponsorship strategy in the description. It includes 3 bonuses: a tracker, companies and industries are likely to sponsor you, and many more. You can also join my free tech community. All the links are in the description. Now let's talk about the sponsorship strategy framework that I teach people. It's just a tiny bit I want to explain to you now. You'll find the full details in the strategy document. Number one, target the right employers. Not every company sponsors, that's the truth. Focus on licensed sponsors, large organizations, public sector, consultancies, global firms. Stop wasting your energy on companies that will not sponsor you. Position your CV for value, not potential. Your CV must answer, what problems did you solve? How complex was it? What tools did you use? What changed because of you? Be outcome focused. Now, as a bonus, I'm going to link companies that are licensed to sponsor as updated as at 2026. Check in the description. Step 3, build a UK relevant experience story. This is where live projects and simulated environments matter. If you don't have UK experience, you must show transferable delivery experience. Demonstrate UK tools, frameworks, speak confidently about risk scenarios. Experience does not only come from paid roles, your way of life can also set you apart. Step 4, master interview communication. Sponsorship interviews are stricter. Interviewers listen for clarity, confidence, decision making, sound like someone that can be trusted. Step 5, have a long-term plan. A lot of you are applying for sponsorship when you need it immediately. It's a long game. Sometimes you might have to start from a contract role and they see your stuff, they promote you, they move you further, permanent, and then from there, visa sponsorship. So it's about strategy. Now I want to be honest with you, 2026 will be competitive. The signs are there, but it will reward people that are skilled, prepared, and realistic. For example, do you have data analysis skills? Stand out. The market is not dead. The market is selective. If you bring clarity, structure, value, opportunities still exist. Gain data analysis skills. In January, I'm hosting a free Power BI class. I want to empower as much people as I can in 2026. So if you want to understand data analysis, start with my free data class. I'm hosting it this January. The link to join us is in the description. If you're watching this, I want you to do this week. Identify sponsors, friendly employers, rewrite your CV, focus on outcomes, audit your experience, the gaps, practice explaining your value clearly, stop applying randomly. Please stop it. If you need a sponsorship, it does not mean you are not capable. It means you need to be more strategic. If you follow everything I wrote in my strategy documents, you'll be landing a visa sponsorship in less than 6 months. I'll continue teaching this properly on this channel and every other thing relating to tech. If you want structured guidance, clarity, real support, then join the free Innovate Path community. The link is in the description. If this video has helped you, subscribe, stay with me in 2026. Make sure you also check the link to join my project management and business analysis training. We start on the 24th of January 2026. We optimize your CV, your LinkedIn profile, career support, give you all the strategies and everything you need to stand out in 2026. Now, if you've done a training before and you just really need to stand out, you don't understand everything you've learned, you feel you have enough theory knowledge in project management and business analysis, you just want the work experience part, then on the 19th of January, we start our work experience program. Live projects only, no theory, no fluff, not beginner friendly. It's for you if you think you are good enough, you just need a little push. But if you're a beginner, then you need to join our full beginner friendly project management and business analysis training starting on the 24th of January. Join my community, stay connected with me, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, Ibiyemi Fashipe, on LinkedIn, Ibiyemi Fashipe. You can also stay connected to my newsletter. I share strategies on visa sponsorship, jobs, project management, business analysis, and many more every week. The link to subscribe is in the description. Bye for now, and make sure, as always, keep working on your strategies, and I'm sure that the Almighty God will show up for you very soon. Bye for now.